It's your boy SPJ. Back with another banger, back with another video. We got a little POV motherfucker for y'all, you feel me? Right here. Yeah! We got Mr. Goddamnit in this bitch. I don't really fuck with dudes, but we got Mr. Goddamnit in this motherfucker. Big! Yeah, that motherfucker! You know what I'm saying? Got the guys out though. Gonna cut up with Mr. Goddamnit. Oh ass nigga, you feel me? We got the big G8 out here, you feel me? The big chop motherfucker out, you feel me? Yeah! Hey! Track called Killer? Question mark? Motherfucker hard, twin turbo motherfucker, you feel me? But the guys got it out, as y'all can see. The guys got it out. We got a V out. Got a V out, you feel me? 5.7 Chrysler with the Viper hood on. Boy, doing way too much. Y'all got the Striker boys out here. That boy just let Mr. Goddamnit drive his car. He crazy as fuck. Sweet. Couldn't be me. Sweet. Couldn't be me. That's like letting somebody fuck your bitch. That's like letting somebody fuck your bitch. How you feel about that? Couldn't be me.
Sweet. He sweet.
Couldn't be me.
What up, Unc?
Why you always call that man Unc?
That nigga Unc. Old ass.
We gonna go sport mode for y'all, you feel me? We got that man, Mr. Goddamnit, in front of us driving Brody car. You feel me? Shooting flames on the nigga and shit. We got the Mustang Mach 1 with a nice little Burble on them, you feel me? Mach 1 Burble, you feel me? What's better though? That's the real question. I'm gonna go with the Mopar though. Oh, you going Mustang?
I'm going Mustang.
I knew you was gay, bro. Get out my car. That's that, see, you doing fruitcake shit.
God.
That LS is different, dog. YouTube, y'all think I should do that to my car? Y'all think I should be shooting flames out here in the 392? You know what I'm saying? The big SRT, not the little one. Should I get that tune? I don't know how I feel about it. I fuck with it though. Yeah. It's a 5.7 Daytona shooting flames. The big slow booty, you feel me? Them boys pee.
Look at him. Sweet.
Them boys in that shit. Oh, we got the slow Mustang. Yeah. We got my boy in the slow Mustang. You think that motherfucker fast, but I'll leave it. I'll leave that motherfucker. You gotta love this type of stuff, man. We got my boy right here. My boy Dog. Bro, move this goddamn Nissan truck. Boys in them big motherfuckers, you feel me? God damn. good little V, you feel me? The guy is in it though. Good little flame shooter motherfucker. You feel me? Oh my God. Got a little slow Mach 1 in front of me. I want to race a Mustang, so bad. But I know I'm going to lose. I know it ain't. I know it ain't. It's going to leave me. Hey, move your ass out the way. God damn. Race me! Race me! Nah, come race me! Nah, race me! Pick up somebody your own size! What's up, slave man, nigga? What's up? Yeah, that's cool. On you! Yeah! I wasn't ready! I wasn't ready, y'all! That don't count! That don't count! I wasn't ready! Run it back, run it back, run it back! Oh, he tweaked! Bro, what the fuck? YouTube! What the fuck is going on? Oh, that's J-Ski? Is that J-Ski? Oh, this nigga tweaked. That shit slow! That shit slow, nigga! That shit slow! He got 2 girls in there! Oh my God! I'm confused on what we're doing, but I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, bro. This shit don't count. Bro, did you see almost crash? Oh, he tweaked! Yeah, bro, you saw that car coming up behind you? Yeah, that's why I did it as soon as I shot. Yo, what the fuck? Bruh, it should not. It's fucking striker boys out here with us. It's supposed to be nothing but fast cars. Who the fuck is these damn weak ass cars? Hey nigga, I thought I was finna hit Timmy. I thought it was over. I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was over with. Where everybody going? Running? He crazy as fuck. He crazy as fuck, YouTube. He crazy as fuck, YouTube. He crazy as fuck, YouTube! He crazy as fuck, YouTube!
Hellcat.
What the fuck? That man ain't never just do that. That car fast as fuck, that big ass Hummer.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me none. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought if she really didn't class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm